Good day, traders. This is Rich with some price action on the market. It's currently 3:31 p.m., October 16, 2020, Friday. And here we are again, another Friday in the books. Still 30 minutes to go, or should I say 29 minutes to go. But I'm not taking another trade right now. I don't see anything setting up, and I'm going to just avoid any potential garbage trade. So I'm pretty much going to walk away until the close and just call it a week. Not a great week, but today was much better than it's been. First things first, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Very simple to do. Just hit the subscribe button and like the video, and boom, you're done. Move on. Leave a comment if you want. Today was interesting. We started to gap up, and the lame player of Hertz was in play. I want to go over some pre-market stuff real quick because it's kind of set up the day here. So Hertz got the call this morning, getting money, more loans, things like that, and it shot the stock up to about 280. And I've been looking for an entry at 280 since the beginning of the day, but I don't think I was going to take that at all. Anyway, just kind of like a gross stock that just moves at 10 cents at a time. So you'd have to like really go in with some share size to make it work for you, and it just wasn't something I wanted to trade. So today I only took 3 trades total. That includes 10, I think it was was sales. Boeing, we'll get into Boeing pre-market. 71 break was on my radar, and I'm like, okay, if I'm going to take a pre-market trade, this is going to be the one. Boeing gives me kind of it's not going to move as fast on the downside if it were to go against me. And look what it did right when I called 71, and it went all the way to 74. So going into the opening market, of course I missed that trade. Going in the opening market, I really liked Boeing. Unfortunately, Boeing didn't really set up, but I like that 172 opening break. Let me turn off session or a pre-market session. It didn't really set up like as a gap trade for my setup, but it pulled down, and I took the high a day break because I knew through 71 was going to be the one. But then it was actually the 72 that set up for me, and I took a 72 break and got some sales off at like 73. The thing I did differently, if you notice, if I go to my scaling page, notice how there's no money being shown, no profit and loss, no on the order flow of here. I'm not seeing anything. So I took all my profit and loss off, and just I'm trading price action according to level 2 and the prints, and I'm avoiding the money, so to speak. I don't know why I have 29,000 shares. That's pretty crazy. So I took a trade on Boeing. I took it through the 72 level, and I got some off at like 72.50, 80, 73.10. So I had a nice little chunk of change on that. Later in the day, again, this is all I traded. Boeing, this REPL, we watched it yesterday. It was a quick. I got in with. I knew it was going to be very spready. It's spready right now. And I got in on a trade, the break here, the 42 level. And I actually it was a 43 level, I believe. I actually only took 100 shares and got off with like $60 because it moved so quick. I just kind of was like in, out, good, walk away. I could have ran another $5, but after the last couple of days, I knew it wasn't going to really, it would be really difficult for it to make new highs. Plus the volume was kind of low on it. And the last trade of the day was the trade I missed yesterday, the ARRY, which is a new issue yesterday. I was looking for the break here. Was it the 40? I think it was a 30. Yeah, 39 break. I got like a bunch of shares off, but I didn't let it work. I just didn't let it work. It actually pulled back, and then it finally made its move, and it made some really nice moves to 41.87, almost 2 points. But I got some off on that, and I ended the week on a good note. Past 2 days are kind of difficult, and things were just not setting up the way I wanted to. And all day today, it's been kind of garbage. I'm looking at Hertz. If I'm looking at Hertz, it's not a great day. So let's go over the day real quick. I'll show you what I made. Okay, so here's the good old profit and loss for the week. I'm sorry, for Friday. Looking at 218.46, 13 total trades. That's including buys and sells. No losers, which is good. And then if you go to the performance graphs, you can see the gradual climb up today, which is all in the morning. And I got to close out at 218.46. So that pretty much sums it up for the week. Tough trading, which is fine. I'm okay with how it played out this week. I was able to battle back a little bit today, and I'm looking forward to next week. I'm thinking things will pick up again, but you got to trade what you see. That's all you can do at this point. I might do a video over the weekend. I'm not too sure. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and you guys have a nice weekend. And that pretty much sums it up for me. Have a good one.